underlying principle behind Islamic finance is the distribution of wealth by regulating soft regulation, the free activities of the market for the collective benefit of the society. Welcome to another episode of Islamic Finance Daily Update, where we bring you activities in the non-interest finance market. Our first update for today is that the Egyptian Financial Regulatory Authority has launched a guide on using its recently launched mobile app database titled Empowering Women. The guide, which is in the form of a video presentation, was posted on the authority's LinkedIn page. The video was created to respond to inquiries on how to use the application. The video guide presents both an overview of the application and the steps women should take to register. It also explains the privilege that female applicants obtain by using the application. This includes how qualified female professionals register their details on the database to ensure that data is available to companies and organizations. It also covers the benefits they receive in priority attendance at specialized training courses, workshops, and qualified training programs. The Financial Regulatory Authority smartphone application is an electronic initiative designed to create a database of qualified female professionals looking to take part in the administrative decision-making process in Egypt. It is aimed at easing their transition into positions of leadership while encouraging development in the qualitative performance of companies. In turn, companies in Egypt have been given a period of reconciliation extending until the end of 2020. Also, Saudi Arabia's insurance sector witnessed a growth of 8% in 2019, marking the first increase in 3 years, with total written premiums reaching 37.8 billion Saudi Riyals. This was announced by Saudi Arabian Monetary Authority. The SAMA issued its 13th annual report on the Saudi insurance market, which highlights the performance of the insurance sector in 2019 and the sector's contribution to the kingdom's gross domestic product. The penetration ratio of the sector increased from 1.2% in 2018 to 1.28% in 2019, with an insurance density increase of 5.7% over 2018 to reach 1.1 Saudi Riyals. However, the overall loss ratio remained stable, and improvement for health insurance were largely offset by an increase in the loss ratio for motor insurance. The report also indicated that the net profit after zakat and tax for the sector increased more than twofold over the last year's corresponding figure, improving the return on assets and the return on equity ratios. The overall Saudiization ratio increased from 72% in 2018 to 74% in 2019. It also highlighted major regulatory and other developments during the year, including issuance of new actuarial work regulations and rules for licensing foreign branches, progress in IFRS 17 implementation journey, increased margin and acquisition activity, and expansion of aggregators' channel to the benefit of policyholders. These developments are positive signs for the insurance sector and are consistent with SAMA's effort to make the insurance sector a greater contributor to the economy, while also ensuring policyholder protection and fair pricing of products are maintained. This will lead to an increase in policyholders and satisfaction and trust in the insurance sector, according to the report. In addition, a statement issued Sunday stressed that Saudi Arabian Monetary Authority's continuous efforts to increase Saudiization across multiple levels in the insurance sector are yielding positive results. The next step will be to ensure that the insurance sector invests sufficiently in the training and development of Saudi human resources to ensure they are qualified and rise to senior and technical positions. The authority will continue to motivate the insurance sector to invest in infrastructure and technological systems to promote innovation, which will provide the best products and services for insurance policyholders and beneficiaries. And lastly, the Islamic Development Bank believes its new cooperation with the United Nations Office for Projects will help to combat COVID-19 through emergency procurement services of medical supplies and equipment. United Nations Office Project is the first United Nations organization to be included in ISDB's COVID-19 Global Coordination Platform for the provision of health procurement services. The platform aims to ensure greater efficiency, transparency, and better governance in COVID-19 response efforts. This cooperation will help put ISDB member countries back on the path to economic recovery by restoring livelihoods, building resilience, and kickstarting economic growth, said UNOPS Executive Director Grit Fermor in a recent exchange of letters with ISDB Group President Dr. Banda Aja. I am confident that the partnership between ISDB and UNOPS will help in mitigating and reversing the negative impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on our member countries, Dr. Banda Aja said. The first project resulting from this new cooperation will see UNOPS procure emergency medical supplies, laboratory equipment, and other essential items for the government of Maldives to help reduce the spread of COVID-19 in the country. And that will be all for today. To watch more videos, read news stories, reports, and analysis on Islamic finance, log on to our website www.proshareng.com. Also, you can engage us on our social media handles displaying on the screen. Till we come your way again, thank you for watching and bye for now.